Welcome to the new episode of Marvelous Temples. In the heart of India, where time carves whispers into ancient stone, lie two caves of wonder, Ajanta and Ellora. These are not mere caverns, but breathing testaments to the human spirit, each crevice echoing with the stories of millennia. Ajanta, nestled in the sapphire embrace of the Sahyadri Mountains, is a symphony of color and light. The walls, once bare, bloom with frescoes that dance with life. Delicate brushstrokes conjure tales of gods and goddesses, celestial beings and earthly creatures, their eyes holding the wisdom of countless moons. From the serene grace of the Buddha to the playful antics of celestial musicians, each painting is a whispered prayer, a vibrant tapestry woven with faith and artistry. Ellora, carved from the volcanic slumber of the Deccan Plateau, is a hymn to the indomitable human will. Here, the mountain itself becomes the canvas, colossal sculptures hewn from its very bones. The Kailasa temple, a celestial chariot frozen in stone, stands sentinel. In Ellora, the sun casts long shadows upon the sculpted faces, blurring the lines between mortal and divine. Its intricate carvings whispering tales of the mighty Ravana. Hindu deities, their forms etched with divine power, gaze out from the rock, their stories echoing through the ages. But these caves are more than just monuments to the past. They are bridges between worlds. In Ajanta, the gentle murmur of chanting monks mingles with the whispers of ancient winds, reminding us of the timeless quest for enlightenment. Wander through these hallowed halls and feel the echoes of history brush against your skin. Trace the stories etched in stone, hear the whispers of 1,000 prayers, and witness the unwavering spirit of a civilization carved into the very earth. Ajanta and Ellora are not just caves. They are testaments to the human capacity for beauty, belief, and the boundless power of imagination. So come, traveler, stand at the threshold of these ancient wonders and let the stories unfold. Let the colors of Ajanta paint your soul, and the might of Ellora ignite your spirit. For within these caves, time itself stands still, whispering tales of a past that lives on, forever etched in the heart of India.